It's done. It's a kitty. Oh, it's a kitty. Look at the kitty. Oh man, needs a little adaptive control there. So if you see my last video with the, Unicorn the Impaler, so I decided to do a kitty. But man, the finish is kind of rough. I think I can fix that. Let's fix that. So there's a tool in the slicer called Adaptive Layer Control, or Variable Layer Control, depending on which one it is. And you see those little rings right there? So that's what it printed. Now what we can do is we can go and put our quality a little better, adaptive, and then it shows us how those lines are going to be formed. And then over here in the edge, there's this blue line that's kind of jagged. So then what we can do is we can increase our radius and smooth it out. See how the blue line now is nice and smooth? And that's what it did here to the top now. It smoothed it out. Now, depending on the model and how much time you want to spend on it, because the more you smooth it out, the more time it's going to take to print. So we just want to clean it up a little bit. We don't need it to be super smooth, but we need it smooth enough that it looks nice. It's done. So here's the one with adaptive layer height, and here's the one without. Now let me lay these down, and then I think I can show you better detail. Okay, so you see the rings on the top there, and see what adaptive layer height did? It smoothed them out. Now I could have went much smoother. I kind of picked a middle setting, and you see it improved it, but I could have went more. And so that's where you got to figure out how much time you want to spend, because this added 38 minutes to the print going from that to that, because it has to do more layers to achieve that. So now if I go even finer, I'm going to add another half hour onto this little baby print, and I don't think it's worth the time personally. I found the cute cat on MakerWorld.com, so go check it out.